started my college search, I was searching for the top programs in communication sciences and disorders and found a long list of big universities, and then I found Augustana. At Augustana, we have our typical major course load in CSD, but as undergraduates, we're also responsible for contributing to the Augustana Center for Speech, Language, and Hearing as student clinicians. By the time us CSD students graduate Augustana College, we gain over 100 hours of direct clinical contact, and that's something unique that makes us stand out in our grad school applications. I've had the opportunity to have a very close relationship with Dr. Ann Perot. I've been able to help her with her research. Being able to experience what it is that a professor does to further their knowledge and to contribute to the field of research has really inspired me to become more focused on research in my career and in graduate school.